everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I do upload new videos every single weekend, so stay tuned for that. Today's video is actually very exciting because I have partnered up with ELAINE'S Medical Aesthetics in doing a facial. So I desperately need a facial done. So it's very exciting that she had reached out to me to provide her services. So I'm going to take you on this journey to show you as to what the facial I'm getting and what it's called and what the benefits are. So just stay tuned. With IS Clinical?
Yes.
No.
Okay, so IS Clinical is a cosmeceutical, but it's botanically based.
Oh, okay.
So natural ingredients.
Yeah.
And the treatment I'm going to do on you today is called Fire and Ice.
Fire and Ice.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I was doing a little bit of research about that. You said it was Hollywood.
Yes.
Yeah.
They call it the red carpet facial.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the red carpet facial.
It's very popular in Hollywood.
Yeah.
It's actually one of the top facials at the Four Seasons in Beverly
Oh,
Hills.
really, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And do they use this product as well?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Exciting.
You feel the heat.
Okay.
That's the fire aspect of it.
Okay. Yeah.
So it is a peel.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So it's 18% glycolic.
Yeah.
It also has retinol and green tea extract as well as vitamin B3.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah. So
oh, that's great.
it increases cellular metabolism, but it's a very deep exfoliation.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
And this is she.
Cleansing complex. The cleansing complex is really great, actually. It has salicylic, glycolic, and chamomile.
Oh, yeah.
So it's great for fighting acne bacteria.
Oh.
But it's very gentle that you could even shave with it. My husband shaves with
Oh, yeah.
it. Yeah. Intensive resurfacing mask.
It smells good.
Yeah, you smell the cinnamon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this has 18% glycolic. It's got retinol, vitamin B3, and green tea
Oh, wow.
leaf extract.
I already feel it.
Yeah, you feel the heat, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A little bit of tingliness.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this gets left on for 5 minutes, and it's just going to work its magic. Help slough off all that dead skin.
Wow.
Promote, generate cellular renewal.
Yeah, this is definitely heat for sure.
Mm-hmm. So once you remove it, you might feel the intensity just a little bit more.
Okay.
This is normal. This is the fire aspect. Whew. You okay?
Yep.
Don't worry, the ice is coming.
That's okay. No, this cloth feels nice.
Good. Just gonna go back in with the cleansing complex to neutralize the pH.
Does this help with scarring too?
It does.
Yeah.
It does. Anytime you're resurfacing, you're speeding up that cell renewal process, so it helps bring damage up a lot sooner. So it's great for problematic skin, acne-prone skin, acne scarring, but definitely for anti-aging.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Excellent.
Now this is the ice factor. So this is the rejuvenating mask. Very high in hyaluronic acid, which Hyaluronic acid actually holds 1,800 times its weight in molecular water. So it also has aloe, green tea extract. So it's got your antioxidants as well.
What are these things?
So these are just ice balls to help cool everything down. Our super serum, which is a vitamin C serum with tricopper growth factors. Tricopper peptides, which is a growth factor that stimulates the synthesis of collagen. This is HydraCool, again very high in antioxidants as well as hyaluronic acid. Very, very hydrating.
That's something I need.
We're just going to finish off with the moisturizing complex just to lock in all that moisture. And voila, beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is amazing.
So some of the services that we provide is eyelash extensions, eyelash lifts and tints, electrolysis, AFA chemical peels, the fire and ice facial, which you saw today, microdermabrasion, more medical facials using cosmeceuticals, so physician-based products, back facials, as well as laser hair, laser vein, resurfacing treatments. We have a physician on board that does the Botox and Juvederm, and tattoo removal.
Excellent. So this is your laser room.
This is the laser room. This is the Pico shirt, does the tattoo removal as well as pigmentation, so great for melasma, any type of hyperpigmentation. Over here we've got our Cynosure Elite. This does our laser hair as well as laser vein, and it will also remove some sunspots as well. And this bad boy over here is our Intracell. So it is a resurfacing treatment. It uses microscopic needles that penetrate down into the dermis, and it releases radio frequencies. So this is an intense treatment, firming, lifting, scarring, surgical scars, fabulous treatment.
Oh my gosh, so I totally feel like a different person. One thing that I really love is that typically when I go for facials, my hair is always greasy afterwards. When she does her facials, she really protects your hair so that way your hair doesn't feel extremely greasy. But like, look at this. Like, I'm sure tomorrow I'll be feeling really good too, but this literally pulled everything out of my face. And I just feel like my skin is extremely hydrated and glowy. This is awesome. Thanks so much.